Hey YouTube, welcome back. So yeah, today I'm going to unbox this. This is the DJI Power Station 1000 version 2 with the 1024 watt Henry LFP battery capacity. And this one comes with the 2600 watt AC output and fast wall recharging in about 56 minutes. So yeah, my version 1, it only offers 2200 watts AC. So I need a little bit more. And this one has 4 AC port. The previous one only got 2. So if you have more devices that you need backup during a power outage, you will need to get this one. And plus, this one has a built-in Wi-Fi and a Bluetooth 5.0 for monitoring via DJI home app. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so I'm not sure why the tape is kind of peeled off. Hopefully this is a brand new one. But they have this tape, it says void if damaged. By the way, they have tape on the bottom as well. So instruction, quick start guide actually come with this thick AC power cord. You gotta make sure you use this one. This one's come thicker. If you try to use the one that comes with like your old monitor or old computer, it's not safe because once you charge this power station, the cable tends to get hot. Oh. So they have this thick rubber feet for non-slip. You got the two of the SDC for solar or any other input or output device right here for your 12 volt secret adapter and stuff like that. You got two at this USB Type A and two Type C right here. Right here is your home charging port. I'm not sure what is that. I want the plug. That's new to me. Let's go and then power this on real quick. You got the 4 AC output right here. And then there's an AC switch that you power on, to use your AC outlets. You could do the different wattage. Check it out. So right now it's 46%, and then there's a Wi-Fi, 60 hertz. Let me get my phone to see if I can add it. So since I downloaded mine already, it's called the DJI Home. So we need to register. Okay, after that, then I'm gonna add device, Bluetooth pairing. So you found it. And then I'm gonna click on pair. It says I need to select my Wi-Fi. Just a question and error, so I'm going to click on update. By the way, if you cannot find DJI Home in your App Store or Google Play Store, you need to Google search it, and then it will take you to the link to the DJI homepage in order to download it. That's what I did. It says the unit would shut down after it's updating. So it's rebooting. It says upgrade, and then it shows 10%. I say update finish, and then here is the dashboard. Show you the percentage, and input is two SDCs, the input, and then AC to charge the units input, and then you have the output. You can turn it on here instead of pressing the button right here to turn on the AC outlets. And then they have two Type A, two Type C right there. And then the two are the SDC. So this is input and output for the SDC connection, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna plug in real quick just to charge it, so I can give you an idea how fast it's charging. Is the input is about 1,000 something watt though. Alright, so I'm gonna plug in the AC to charge this unit. This is the new plug. By the way, this is version 1. And then the new version 2, they changed the plug style. Horizontal versus vertical on the V1. Wow, that is very fast. But it's gonna take a lot of power. So that's why I use solar to charge it. You save money instead of using your power from your utility. So it's 24 minutes if I plug in and charge. But my home solar is only about 250 watts maximum, so unless you use a DJI solar panels, it's going to be faster. But their solar panel is pretty expensive. By the way, while you're charging, you can still use the power. Show you the output. Using about 11 watts from the AC. I'm going to turn this off, or 12. This is 25 watts. Test on this. So if I connect here, it's only 5 watts. I showed 8 watts earlier. By the way, this is a fast charging cable. I'm going to use a slow charging Type A for the Type C. It's only, what? 6 kilowatt, 6 watt. Huh. Somehow this one is fast. Check on this one. That's so weird. Let me use this one and see. I understand some of my Type A charging faster than Type C. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.